Ani suba Manipur Olympic Games ngasidagi Imphal gi Mapal kangjeibung da houdokhre. Games asida punna tongan ba discipline kuntra marida athoi ahen tanagadawri. Punna district tara taruktagi sanaroi lising taruk ki mathakta saruk yagadawri. Haudokpagi thoramda Manipur gi Governor La Ganesan, Manipur gi Chief Minister N Biren, Sports Minister Govindas Konthokjam, Manipur Olympic Association gi President ELITETV Radeshyam amadi atai Minister Singh MLA Singh amadi official kayasu saruk yaki. Games ase haudokpagi saruk ama oina March pass amadi nat ki oiba thoram kayasu pangthoki. Thoram aduda wangang naduna Manipur gi Governor La Ganesan, Chief Minister N Biren na amadi Manipur Olympic Association gi President TH Radeshyam na phongdokiba wafam sing.
I'm sure your Chief Minister himself is a sportsman. So definitely look into that. Without asking himself, he will make arrangement. Though Manipur has already produced many excellent sports persons, both in national and international levels, I'm fully confident that the state will keep producing many more in the coming years. In recognition of the wonderful performance of our players, both in international and national levels, Government of India endorsed the establishment of National Sports University in Manipur. Government of India, now they have endorsed the establishment of National Sports University in Manipur. After the competition, some of you must be pleased with the result, while some will be disheartened.
Media ki sindina mayam punama ay kai kuno chari madi sumba game sida idara mo chari mayam ko sahi kuntra mari ki matungda Manipur Olympic Association na sindina sumba ma bangthok lakpasi aingonda yamna harau ba yamna nungai ba hawi Ekoi hairiba sports basic taunana bagi Manipur Olympic Association ge marup Sri Dr. Radeshyam amadi Secretary Sunil amadi ate me ana hudokra ko matanda ina harauna anda gyam kharo contingent district puting maktegi yaubi dana yamna pung phaba sports meet habadu
at this historic Mapal Kangjeibung, the oldest living polo ground in the world. On behalf of the host of sports persons who have brought laurels for the state and the country and all those who would be competing, I am indeed happy and privileged to welcome our Honorable Chief Minister Sri N Biren Singh, the Chairman of the Chief Patron of the Organizing Committee of the Games. Honorable Chief Minister State Games Chahi Kuding State Games Kawini Takir Vidota, Haninga Letana, MOA Amadi Sports Production, Sports Person Kuding of the Haninga Letana Sarah Tagachari.